The Jackson Safety Insight welding helmet is the perfect fit for both your professional needs and your budget. The helmet features a variable auto-darkening filter, easy-to-use digital controls, and an ultra-lightweight shell. The helmet has a viewing area of 3.93 by 2.36 inches, offering unobstructed views during all stages of the welding process, without lifting the hood. With variable shades from 9 to 13, this helmet features sensitivity and delay adjustments for different tasks and durations. Choose from grind and weld modes, used for MIG welding, TIG welding, and arc welding, on this value-centric welding mask. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Updated model. This Jackson Safety Ultra Lightweight Insight welding helmet is built with 4 sensors to reduce possible blockage. It's been newly updated with industry-leading 1:1 optical clarity and true color. Number 2. Best viewing. This ADF helmet has a viewing area of 3.93 by 2.36, and offers optimal vision during all stages of the welding process, without having to lift its hood. It also has a lightweight HLX100 shell that has a narrow shape for working in tight spots. Number 3. Digital control. With variable shades from 9 to 13, this helmet has user-friendly digital controls for sensitivity and delay adjustments for different tasks and durations. This enables welders to enjoy enhanced visibility and color recognition. Number 4. Multi-use welding. This variable auto-darkening face mask allows you to use it for MIG, TIG, stick, and arc welding processes. It also features our premium 370 speed dial easy grip, turn headgear system. Number 5. Safety certifications. This helmet provides protection to the user's face and eyes during welding. It's efficient and economical, meets standards, and is CSA compliant. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Where is this manufactured? The US? China? Answer. Jackson helmets are made in Taiwan. Question number 2. What's the warranty on this helmet? Answer. There's a 2-year warranty on the auto-darkening filter, ADF. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.